Hi, welcome to another episode of my cooking demo. Today's recipe will be tempura shrimps. So we have here some shrimp. The way that you do the tempura would be to peel all the way almost to the edge of the tail. Okay, after that, what we do is we want to, usually there's about 5 fingers right there. So we want to remove the middle sharp one using a knife. After that, we lay down the 4 fingers flat, and then use the back of the knife to squeeze these out. Okay, so when you squeeze these out, it makes the tail crispy and edible after you fry it. Okay, so and after that, we devein the shrimp. So the way that we devein the shrimp would be to cut in the middle right there and get some of the veins out. Well, this one doesn't have a lot of it, and then go to the end. Usually there's a vein right there, so we remove this one. Okay, so okay, after we remove the vein, set it aside. Then after that, we cut the shrimps. Usually when you fry the shrimp, it kind of curls and bends and curls like this. So we try to avoid that from happening. So how we do that is we score all throughout this underneath. Okay. Then after that, we turn it over. Then we sort of massage. So massage by holding your 2 fingers right here, and until you hear, usually you hear something crack or click. So those are the shrimp muscles that you're breaking in order to prevent the shrimp from. So right there, all straight. So when you look at the shrimp, usually it's kind of squared like this. Okay, so that's out for the shrimp. Okay, so moving on, the next step into making our tempura is to make the batter. So this right here is some rice flour. So we have rice flour, ice cold club soda or soda water, okay, and then some oil right here. Okay, so and then the shrimp just the way they are. Okay, so you open the soda water, and the trick to making some crispy tempura is not to over mix the batter. Okay, so and to make sure that you put the right amount of soda water and the flour ratio. Okay, so in order not to over mix, I like to use chopsticks. So, oops, a little bit more. Brown out na yata. Okay, a little bit of oil. If you happen to put too much liquid, you can just add a little bit more of the rice flour. Okay, and off to the fryer we go. Okay, so now we are, while waiting for the oil to heat up so that we can fry our tempura shrimps, we can make the sauce now. So for the sauce, we will be using some water, some hondashi or dashi powder. This is a combination of sake and mirin, a little bit of light soy sauce, and over here we have some grated ginger and grated daikon radish. Okay, so let's proceed to making the sauce. Alright, so starting off with some hot water, we put in some dashi powder. Our mirin and sake mixture. little bit of soy sauce. Probably a little bit more soy sauce. Okay. Wait for this thing to boil. Alright, so now we're ready to fry our shrimps. The oil is hot and we're ready to go. So dip it like this. Just a few seconds. Last piece. So now it's time to plate the tempura. So in the tempura, you put all the tails up. Okay, so in a piece of paper like this. Okay. Okay. And then time to plate the sauce. Voila, tempura. Thank you so much for watching my cooking demo, and I hope to see you in the next recipe. Thanks. Ciao.